Welcome to Power OCR. Today, I'm going to show you how our automatic license plate recognition technology, our ALPR engine, completely resets the global standard and runs with just a few simple clicks. This demo is completely free. No sign-up required, no ID verification, no credit card. Just upload your image and witness the real power for yourself. Competitors need hardware. They need sensors. They depend on specific cameras, but we rely only on intelligence. While traditional ALPR systems struggle with 60 to 85% accuracy, Power OCR has already buried that old generation. We deliver near-perfect results at unbelievably low costs. Now, let's see together how our cloud-based AI infrastructure detects a license plate in milliseconds. On my desktop, I have a folder named Plates with 3 sample plate images. I'll use one of them in this free demo. PowerOCR.com My tab is open, and on a second tab, I have the Base64 converter website. I drag and drop the image, click Code, and the Base64 output is ready. This code will be sent directly to our API. Now I switch back to PowerOCR.com and click Start Your Cloud Demo Today. Here you can see the input and output sections. Input is what we send, and output is the result returned by our ALPR engine. Next, I copy the post link, cloud.powerocr.com/API/ALPR. Then I open Postman, paste the link into the post field, select Body, Raw, JSON. Place my Base64 code inside the image Base64 source field and hit Send. And here it is. The plate has been successfully recognized. In the value field, we see the license plate, and in the probability field, we see the AI confidence score. There is no other ALPR engine on the market that can match this speed, this accuracy, and this simplicity. Power OCR is the fastest, most accessible, and most cost-effective ALPR solution in the world today. You completed the demo in just a few minutes, and you'll make your decision in just a few seconds. If you want speed, we are here. If you want consistency, we are here. If you want the best price, we are still here. Now, test it with your own images and let the numbers speak. Power OCR, unmatched accuracy, unbeatable cost. See you soon.